Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your Forza Horizon 5 isn't launching. The first thing you can do is make sure you have antivirus on. So I go to virus and threat protection here and make sure it is enabled. So I think mine's enabled here. What you can also do is go and find device manager as well. Here, go to the display adapters and then you're going to update driver. Search automatically, and if you've updated your driver, you can just make sure you have also updated your Windows app. So go to Windows, update settings, check for updates, and make sure you're up to date. If not, just update your Windows and restart your PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.